Welcome to Advanced Dual Health and Life Coach Certification. Today we're going to jump into mind optimization coaching modules, specifically understanding the neuroscience of cognitive enhancement. Let's start with an introduction. The human brain is one of the most complex and powerful organs in existence. It not only governs bodily functions, but it also serves as a control center for thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Cognitive enhancement, the ability to improve brain function and optimize mental performance, is a rapidly growing area of internal for life and health coaches. Whether guiding clients to enhance focus, improve memory, or cultivate lasting mental agility, understanding the neuroscience behind cognitive enhancement is essential. Let's dive into some key points. Number 1, the structure and function of the brain. Key components relevant to cognitive enhancement. First, we'll start with the prefrontal cortex. Located at the front of the brain, it plays a pivotal role in executive functions. It's responsible for planning, decision-making, and self-regulation. In the example application, enhancing prefrontal cortex activity helps clients improve focus and resist impulsive behaviors. Next is the hippocampus. It's critical for memory formation and learning, and it works in tandem with the prefrontal cortex to integrate past experiences into current decision-making. The example application, encouraging clients to engage in activities that challenge memory, like learning a new language. Then we'll dive into the amygdala. This governs emotional regulation and stress responses. Though not directly involved in cognitive enhancement, mitigating its influence can reduce stress-induced cognitive impairments. The example application, mindfulness techniques to regulate emotional overreaction, enabling better focus. Brain networks that underpin cognitive enhancement. The default mode network, or the DMN. It's active during rest or introspective activities such as daydreaming. Coaches can help clients learn to harness this network for creative brainstorming or problem solving. In the executive control, it's activated during goal-oriented activities. And this enhances network and it improves task prioritization and working memory. Number 2, neuroplasticity and the synaptic pruning. Neuroplasticity. This refers to the brain's ability to rewire itself based on experiences, learning, and environmental stimuli. Neuroscientists describe the mantra, neurons that fire together, wire together, meaning that repeated use of neural pathways strengthens their connections. Implications for coaching? You can learn a new skill, teaching clients new hobbies or languages created by neural pathways. And you can break negative patterns. Take a look at the diagram over here, and you can see how this all works. Examples from research. Studies show that sustained mental challenges promote the growth of dendrites, the branches on the neurons that facilitate communication. This means that even learning to play an instrument late in life triggers structural brain changes. Synaptic pruning. This occurs predominantly during adolescence and into adulthood. The brain eliminates synaptic connections it deems unnecessary, similar to decluttering. The coaching insight? Synaptic pruning ensures more efficient processing. Coaches can help clients avoid pruning beneficial habits by preserving mental routines through practice. The example strategy? Designate focus blocks of time to repeatedly practice desired habits, ensuring those neural circuits remain active. Advanced tools for cognitive enhancement. Brain imaging insights. This provides detailed views of brain structure and activity. Tools like fMRI and PET scans can identify areas that are underperforming or hyperactive. The example application. Coaches might use insights from neuroscientific report to tailor cognitive exercises targeting weak areas. Here you can see digital cognitive assessment tools, the digital version of traditional tests, new computerized projects, and new data streams for cognitive assessment. Take a few moments to review these. Neurofeedback. A method where clients receive real-time feedback on their brain activity via an EEG. This helps improve mental control by showing clients how their brain waves react to stress or focused tasks. An example use, a client with attention difficulties learns to regulate their theta brain waves linked to daydreaming, enhancing concentration. Brainwave modulation techniques. This includes methods like bilateral meets and auditory stimulation, which helps shift brainwave states. In other words, alpha waves for relaxation or beta waves for focus. It's useful for improving productivity, sleep, or creative thinking. Client applications, strategies to enhance neuroplasticity. Here are some mental exercises. Encourage clients to solve puzzles, play memory games, or learn new skills. The example activity, challenge clients to recall a list of items backwards, which engages working memory and strengthens the prefrontal cortex. Exposure to novel challenges. Advancing neuroplasticity thrives on new, challenging experiences outside of the comfort zone. Recommendations, take clients on a brain field trip, such as suggesting they try public speaking or learning chess. Mindfulness and meditation. These are proven to improve executive function while calming the amygdala. Guide clients to practice 10 minutes of mindfulness daily to reframe their mental landscape. For example, a gratitude meditation enhances both emotional regulation and cognitive clarity. The physical health alignment. This suggests exercise, which promotes neurotrophic factors, proteins essential for neuroplasticity. Nutritional advice to include omega-3 fatty acids, which facilitate neuronal health. And the habitual tracking. This helps track routine improvements such as journaling and using habit apps, reinforcing and supporting desired changes. Number 5, long-term impacting of coaching on cognitive enhancement. Enhance self-awareness. Clients gain insights into their thought patterns and brain health. An example outcome, a client recognizes how their stress levels directly impact their focus and learns to self-regulate. Career and academic success. Improved mental agility and sustained focus contribute to higher productivity. For example, helping a client ace a promotion exam by refining memory retention strategies. Here you can see the neuroplasticity life cycle and the life benefits. Take a few moments to review these. The best judge of the chorus. To evaluate the effectiveness of cognitive enhancement strategies with clients, coaches must both use qualitative and quantitative criteria. Below is a comprehensive framework for assessing progress. Key performance areas. Cognitive accuracy and focus. Assess whether clients show sustained improvements in concentration during complex, multitask scenarios. For example, a client completes normally overwhelming tasks, such as reports or creative writing, with ease. The consistency in habit formation. All clients consistently practicing recommended strategies for neuroplasticity growth. For example, confirming that clients implement weekly mindfulness sessions or mental challenges like learning a new skill. Resilience to stress. This measures whether emotional regulation strategies effectively reduce amygdala overactivity. For example, clients report fewer instances of losing control under high-stress interactions. Improved emotional and decision accuracy. Are clients making clearer, less reactionary decisions based on their cognitive development work? For example, clients reflect on their decision-making through weekly journaling and pinpointing measured improvements. Demonstrated long-term impacts. Evaluate whether implemented interventions have significantly influenced clients' personal or professional lives. For example, positive examples include preserving mental sharpness during career transitions or feeling empowered in team leadership roles. Sustained evaluation practices. Behavioral feedback. Capture client observations on how they perceive cognitive improvements in daily life. Third-party reflections. Gather positive feedback from family, colleagues, or peers to validate shifts in performance and behavior. Outcome summary for clients. When progress is reviewed systematically, clients not only see current achievements, but also feel empowered to continue refining their cognitive performance over time. Coaches can use PowerPoint slides to visually capture progress, tools, and correlation between neuroscience principles and these transformations, making for an engaging and impactful presentation. Final thoughts. Understanding the neuroscience of cognitive enhancement empowers coaches to take a scientifically grounded approach to help clients improve their mental performance and overall well-being. By exploring advanced tools and practical strategies, coaches can create personalized brain optimization programs that spur growth, inspire creativity, and unlock potential for a lifetime. Ultimately, helping clients harness their brain's natural abilities ensures they live with greater clarity, focus, and intention. Hallmarks of true cognitive excellence. Here are some summary tables to review what you just learned. Table 1. Major brain structures and their role in cognitive enhancement. Here you will see the brain structure, the function, importance to cognitive enhancement, challenges in optimization, and example application. Let's walk through one. The prefrontal cortex. This manages executive functions like decision making. Central to focus planning and self-regulation is why it's important to cognitive enhancement. Challenges in optimization, this can be underactive and impulsive behaviors. And the example application, cognitive exercises like prioritization tasks. Take a few moments to review the rest of the slide. Number 2, neuroplasticity versus synaptic pruning. Here you will see the process, the definition, key features, impact on cognitive enhancement, and example strategies. Let's walk through synaptic pruning. The definition: elimination of inactive neural connections. The key features: it sharpens cognitive efficiency by optimizing pathways. Impact on cognitive enhancement: it prevents mental clutter, enhancing processing speed. And the example strategies: repeated practice of desired skills for retention. Take a few moments to review the rest of the slide. Table number 3, advanced tools for cognitive enhancement. Here you will see the tool, the purpose, how it works, key benefit, and example application. Let's walk through an example. Brainwave modulation. This alters frequency of brain waves. It induces states like relaxation or heightened focus. The key benefit is it prepares clients for situational needs, and the example application is using alpha waves for creativity sessions. Take a few moments to review the rest of the slide. Table number 4, strategies to improve cognitive function in terms of client applications. Here you will see the strategy, the implementation, the neuroscientific basis, expected outcome, and example practice. Let's walk through mindful practices. These are daily meditation or focused breathing. This decreases the amygdala's activity and enhances clarity. The expected outcome: it reduces distractions and improves focus. In the example practice, practicing gratitude meditation for 10 minutes. Take a few moments to review the rest of the table. Table number 5, long-term impacts of cognitive enhancement interventions. Here you will see the strategy, the implementation, the neuroscientific basis, expected outcomes, and example practice. Let's walk through an example. There's physical activity, the implementation, aerobic and resistant exercises. Neuroscientific basis: it boosts production of brain factors. And the expected outcomes: it improves overall cognitive health and agility. In the example practice, jogging 3 times a week for mental sharpness. Take a few moments to review the rest of the slide. Here are some multiple choice questions to review what you've learned. Question number 1. Which brain region is primarily responsible for executive functions like decision making and self-regulation? The hippocampus, the amygdala, prefrontal cortex, or default mode network, DMN? The correct answer is C, prefrontal cortex. What does the process of synaptic pruning accomplish in the brain? A, it strengthens new neural connections through repeated practice. B, it maintains connections that are no longer being used. C, it eliminates weak or unused neural pathways for efficiency. Or D, it stimulates brain activity during sleep cycles. The correct answer is C, it eliminates weak or unused neural pathways for efficiency. Question 3, how does neurofeedback help clients improve cognitive function? Take a moment to review A, B, C, and D. A, by stimulating the prefrontal cortex to increase activity. B, by providing real-time feedback on brainwave activity to regulate mental states. C, by alternating synaptic pathways through auditory modulation. Or D, by strengthening memory through visualization exercises. The correct answer is B, by providing real-time feedback on brainwave activity to regulate mental states. Question 4, which activity would best promote neuroplasticity in a client? A, practicing daily gratitude journaling. B, learning a new skill like painting or playing an instrument. C, spending extended periods of time in reflection without practicing new habits. Or D, watching the same type of content on repeat for consistency. The correct answer is B, learning a new skill like painting or playing an instrument. Question 5, what is one long-term benefit for improving cognitive function through targeted interventions? Take a few moments to review A, B, C, and D. The correct answer here is C, strengthened intergenerational family bonds through modeled habits.